I have very wavy hair and also very dry and damaged. So I was sent this keratin hair mask. I actually did it before and this is now ready to be dried. So I want to give you guys the after. It's super easy to apply. I also really like the packaging. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is definitely like a very thick, almost like a body butter style. And you just put it all through your hair. What you want to do is really wet your hair, towel dry it, then put it all the way through. If you want to go luxe, get a hot towel and then wrap your hair up for like 10 to 15 minutes. If you are like, I'm short on time, I just need a quick method, feel free to use this in the shower, as I use it as like a replacement for my conditioner. Maybe we'll leave it in like a minute or so. And I will tell you what, it still leaves your hair super, super soft. So you put on that hair mask and then you would rinse it out. And then now we're at that stage where we can dry it. So I'll go ahead and get my hair dried and show you the after. And done. This is such a good deep conditioning hair mask. It helps my hair stay shiny and soft, and I highly recommend it.